Welcome to TALSA Food Machinery. In this video, I will introduce our new range of universal mixers, designed for minced meat but also used for many other applications. TALSA mixers are available in 4 capacities: 30, 65, 95 and 165 liters. On each capacity, there are 3 versions available: Mix E, Mix P and Mix PV. Standard models are 3-phase and optionally can be supplied single-phase. Mix E. 1 motor for paddle. Ball is pushed by friction inertia. Unidirectional mixing. Manual ball speed control brake. Mix P. 2 motors, 1 for paddle and 1 for ball. Bidirectional mixing. Mix PV. 2 motors, 1 for paddle and 1 for ball. Bidirectional mixing. Variable paddle speed. All machines are robust, all stainless steel construction. Hygienic control panel IP55, membrane push buttons. Machines also feature an automatically assisted rising motor head for effortless elevation and lowering. Food-approved plastic leads with holes for additions. Avoids contact of the user with the paddle and prevents from external contaminations. Exclusive patented paddle system. TALSA's soft mixing system with exclusive dual-armed paddle provides improved mixing results and reduced mixing time. While one paddle arm stirs the product from the bottom to the top of the bowl, the other paddle arm simultaneously stirs it from the top to the bottom. This double action cuts mixing time by half. Machines designed to mix minced meat, but also used for many other food products. 2 swivel casters with brake and 2 fixed wheels for easy displacement. Hermetically closed machine base prevents access of water or dirt. Easy cleaning due to the absence of corners. TALSA, market leader in the global food industry.